Dear friends, introducing the swapping process that enables you to exchange PLC, PLCU, PLCUC, and PLCUX for smart coins. How does swapping work? Swapping is a process of trading one cryptocurrency for another under predetermined conditions. According to Smart Tokenomics, there are two swapping periods available, 3 years and 5 years. With a 3-year period, the swapped coins are available as follows. Year 1, 1% of the total swapping amount. Year 2, 2%. Year 3, 97%. With a 5-year period, the swapped coins are available as follows. Year 1, 1% of the total swapping amount. Year 2, 2%. Year 3, 4%. Year 4, 8%. Year 5, 85%. Take a few simple steps to swap. Step 1. Choose a swapping period, either 3 or 5 years. Step 2. Press the swap button to choose a coin type to swap. You can choose PLC, PLCU, PLCUC, or PLCUX. In the next window, agree to the terms by checking the boxes and click I agree. Step 3. Send the selected coins to the swapping address. It will take a few minutes to send the coins. After that, the waiting status will change to the message your swapping has been created. Step 4. The swapped smart coins will be accrued to your balance automatically every month. You can track the swapping transactions in the swapping history section. Step 5. The swapped coins are available for withdrawal at any time in the payout section. You will learn more details about this section in the second part of the video, Website Review. Now let's take a look at the swapping website's personal account. You can see the following widgets on the dashboard: Swapping Smart Balance, Expected Swapping, Swapping Status, and Monthly Swapping. Swapping Smart Balance shows how many coins you've already swapped. They can be withdrawn at any time by clicking the Payout button. Expected Swapping shows how many coins you will receive at the end of each year. Swapping Status shows the current status of swapping. Monthly Swapping shows the estimated swapping volume per month. In the Swapping section, you can see which coins are available for swapping, as well as the conditions for accruing swapping transactions. The Swapping History subsection displays the entire history of the swapping transactions made by you. Click More Details to see transaction details by years. Now let's check the Payouts section. Here you can see the entire history of your payouts. The last section is Support, where you can contact our support team if you have any questions.